Unit G1, entering Westbrook Labs, recording activated. Corridor unstable. Disturbance detected. Unidentified movement. Far end of the hall. Stay alert. Signs of forced entry. Structural damage detected. Deep surface gouges. Not natural. Surveillance offline. Camera destroyed. Spent ammunition located. Unknown engagement. Anomaly. Crossing frame. Unstable. Visibility unclear. Human life form detected. Movement detected. Approaching fast. Stay alert. Power fluctuation. Energy levels unstable. Visual confirmation. Unknown outline detected. Proximity close. System integrity compromised. Stabilizing feed. Severe interference. Hostile form directly ahead. Mobility down. Recalibrating sensors. Contact established. Containment. Grip applied. Resonance pulse deployed. Target destabilizing. Target receding. Form unstable. Hold position. Anomaly repositioned. Overhead movement confirmed. Pursuit sequence initiated. Corridor path engaged. Visual lock overhead. Anomaly tracking movement. Emergency exit located. Priority 1. Civilian evacuation. Exit obstructed. Anomaly presence confirmed. Countermeasure deployed. Initiating light burst. Entity not contained. Observation continues.